It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear. This one goes here. Perfect. Let's go to the other room.
Oh, that's such a beautiful bead art of anger. I wish I have a bead art too.
I think we can put this one here. Nice.
Aw, a bead art of disgust. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this one is fear. Oh, and this is sadness.
Hi, Envy.
Hi, Joy. I see you have a Joy bead art with you.
Oh, this one? Yep, it is my bead art. I'm trying to decorate the control center a little bit. I'm thinking of putting it right here.
Let me see. Yeah, that looks good over there. Oh, I wish I have a bead art too.
Ooh, funny you say that. Since you guys are Riley's new emotions and you guys are gonna be living here too, we're gonna need to make one for you. And for embarrassment.
Oh, a bead art for me?
We'll also make one for Wee.
Sure. Whatever.
And of course one for anxiety. Did I just hear my name? What's going on? What about me?
Hey, Anxiety. Nothing bad, I promise. Hello, Bessies. Essie here for Nat and Essie. And today we are making bead arts for the Inside Out 2 brand new emotions. Anxiety, envy, embarrassment, and ennui, or boredom.
Wow, really? Oh, that's so nice of you guys. But how do we do it?
It's actually quite easy. We are just going to need our tray right here. And at the back, we are going to put our template or our design. So we'll put anxiety here, embarrassment, envy, and ennui. I like to start with the eyes for this one. And that way we have kind of a reference on how we're gonna design it. Then we're gonna add some white beads around. And then some orange. And then we're gonna add more black. Then some whites. Alternating. Okay, I'm just moving things around here just to make it work better. I'm putting orange beads in between the whites. So the whites are her teeth. I'm gonna add a little bit more orange there, and here, and there. So that is it for the face. Now let's go to her crazy hair. So her hair is kind of this red-orange color. So I want to use this textured beads. We're kind of just gonna make it a little crazy just for fun. There you go. Let's set it by spraying water on it, and we are going to let that dry. While waiting though, we are gonna go ahead and do another emotion. We're gonna have to transfer anxiety to the other side. 1, 2, 3, go! Ta-da! Now for envy. Again, we're gonna start with the eyes. 1 and 2. Her face is this really light teal color. That's it for the face. Now for her hair. So she has this like dark teal color for her hair, but I don't have a dark teal color beads. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do green. And then she has 2 purple hair clips. So let's put 2 purple beads on there. There we go. And she has this purple color as well. But I think I want to make that a bit lighter color. Then we're going to add a couple more teal colors. Spray, spray, spray. Now it's time for ennui. She is mainly purple in color. So for the face, instead of white, I'm gonna go ahead and make that this purple color. And then we're gonna do the nose. Her hair is like this shiny purple bluish color. So I don't have a really dark blue. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with the textured purple bead. I think for the skin, I'm gonna change it up a little bit just so you can see it a little bit better. And then he has this bluish purple color. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the blue on that. What do you think, guys? Kinda, huh? That was tricky. Now this one is even trickier. This is for embarrassment. Oh no, that's me now. Oh no. You're gonna be okay, big fella. Alright, we're gonna start with the eyes again. His face is pink as well as his nose. So what we can do is we can do pink on the nose. And then this textured pink for the face. He has white drawstrings right below his face. So we're gonna do white on that part. Let's put his hair that's color red. And then he has a purple hoodie. And we're gonna change it to this instead. It's like this starburst design, which I think is super cool. It's not as purple, but I think it's close enough. What do you guys think? Hey, I think it's close enough. Well, all that to say, did it work? Let's find out. Here is our anxiety bead art. I'm using the toothpick to carefully unstick it to the surface. Awesome! Here is anxiety. Next, let's get envy. Oh, that looks nice. And then here is ennui. Finally, we have embarrassment, which I think turned out amazing.
Okay, let's put embarrassment's bead art right here next to sadness. Perfect. And over here, we'll put envy next to disgust.
You got it.
Oh, there's a spot right here for anxiety.
Uh-huh. There you go.
And over here is for wee wee.
There we go.
Yay!
Yay! Our bead art decorations are done. Thanks for watching. Bye!